Hello guys, welcome to my first unboxing video. Today we're going to be unboxing 3 items from KTUNED. This one, which is the oil pan, I got it online, and these 2 items, the fuel pressure gauge and the shift knob, I got from the local store here in Philadelphia called Import DPS. I'm going to leave both links under the description so you can check them out. So let's see what we got. So we're going to go ahead and start with the steel oil pan from KTUNED. This big box right here. It's full package. Let's see. Alright, so first thing, we have some wrapping paper. Put that to the side. And we have a sticker. KTUNED sticker. Nice. It's going in the toolbox. Put that to the side. We have some bubble wrap to keep that oil pan safe during shipping. Wow, there you go. So it is steel. The first thing that stands out is this drain plug right here with a KTUNED logo. Neat. Yeah. And here goes the inside. So this is a magnetic drain plug to catch any metal particles. Let me turn around somewhere. Here we go. So what else is in the box? We have the screws. It is 16 screws. And that's it. No instructions. So they were saying where you took out the old one, put that one on. That's it for the oil pan. Nice. So I got this oil pan for my RSX. It has a K20. This oil pan fits K20 and K24 engines. Just make sure you check the website to make sure that it fits yours. So the last person that did the oil change, they over tightened it and messed up the threads, and now it's leaking. So I had to get a new one. I did some reading, and a lot of people said that it's best to go with steel. So that's why I got it. So moving on to the next item, I have this shift knob from KTUNED. Picked it up at local store Import DPS here in Philly. Very light. You can see it's purple. Let's open it up. So, so here it is. Has the KTUNED logo here and there. And on the top, really nice. It is light, nice grip. Those lines on the sides. It fits all Honda and Acura models. Nice. Let me see what else comes in the box. Come out. So it comes with a jam knot to keep the shifter locked in place. And that's all it brings. And last but not least, we have the fuel pressure gauge, also from KTUNED, picked up at Import DPS. So this fuel pressure gauge fits all K-series engines. It looks like it's liquid filled. Yes. So it is liquid fill. It goes from 0 to 100 psi. KTUNED. Here's the back. You can see the back. Nice. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching my first unboxing video for the oil pan, the fuel pressure gauge, and the shift knob. Thank you KTUNED and Import DPS for the good prices. Stay tuned for more videos. Subscribe and like. See you guys soon.